Hey guys, I just ordered 4 security cameras for the size of the house, and got 3 functions, and it's got 136 LEDs. It will work on detection of a movement, and light angle is 270 degrees, and it's obviously solar charger, waterproof supposed to be. The switch has 3 functions: detection of movement 180 degrees, continuous lighting at night, it will come on at night and stay on, and night light, which is dim, and if it detects any movement it will go bright. So let's open it up and check it out. Okay, this is how it looks like. I put this box away. Comes with the screws and the mollies or roll plugs or whatever you call them. And here it is. 136 LEDs with the motion detector. It's got LEDs on the bottom, on the side. And let's turn it on. Okay, that's, I believe it's on the dim mode. That's the high mode motion detector. Turn the garage lights off. Gonna turn it on, and gives light from the bottom, the sides. Gives up good lights. Lights up almost all of the garage. Side to side. The bottom, it went off. So here you go. I just moved it, it came on. Very bright. Let's try the other function. Now this is the dim mode. That's supposed to see a movement. Let me put it down. No, I guess this is the dim mode that stays on no matter what. Let me put the other function, which is the bright. You can see it's got pretty good light. Lights up the whole area. The reason I got those was the size of the house. I have no security light, and I'm gonna install 2 of them on each side. Got 4 of these, and hopefully it will cover up the whole place. Here's the back of it. Let me turn their lights on. (136) LEDs. Just turn it off. Position is 1. Let's see how it'll go up. I guess it takes a while for it to go off. Yep. And it felt my movement. I'm about 6-7 feet away, and it felt the movement. So I'll just pause, don't move, and wait for it to go off again. You know what? Let me turn the garage lights off again. I guess it stays on for about a minute and then goes off. If it don't sense any movement, there it goes, it went off. So I'm about 7-8 feet away. I'm gonna walk towards it. Oh, it came on. Got a super bright light and lights up very good. And we'll see how it'll work. As I said, I bought 4 of them to put on the sides of the house to cover all the blind spots. And there it is. They're made by Abaku, and they were about 25 bucks each. So it seems that they're working okay right now. Alright folks, we'll see you later. Thanks.